Hi, this is Patty, and I just want to give you a quick tip on keeping your oven clean. I do a lot of cooking, and look at my oven. Look how clean it is. And this is what came out of my oven. This is copper liner. See the spills and everything on it? So I'm taking it out, and I have a new sheet that I had to cut it, and I'm going to place this one in my oven to keep my oven clean as it is. And this is what I bought from Amazon. This is copper non-stick oven liner, and it's great for keeping your oven clean. And this may be something that you want to do if you do a lot of cooking like I do. Just a quick tip. Hope it helps somebody. Goodbye.